Hello everyone! In this short practical lesson, you'll try to write your first program which does absolutely nothing and learn a little more about the main function. At this point, we barely know any code yet, so I can give you a wide variety of tasks. Task 1. Write your first program that consists only of the main function and run it. From now on, I'll be using the solution I've already created called C++ Practice, where each project will correspond to a separate task. If a task doesn't require us to write any code, I won't create a project for it. So obviously, to write our program, we first need to create a project. I've already created one called task01. Inside it, I created a main.cpp file. Here we need to write the code that I showed you in the theory lesson. Int main, regular parentheses, curly braces, and inside them return 0 followed by a semicolon. After writing this code, try to compile and run the program by pressing Ctrl plus F5. If the program runs, it means you wrote the code correctly. If it doesn't, check the errors in the error list. Task 2. Search for C++ main function online and read 1 or 2 articles about this function. You'll find a lot of new information that I'll cover in a separate lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand some of the new concepts yet. I've already entered this query into Google search, and this is what we get. Open any of the first few links and read as much as you want. As I mentioned in the task description, there will be many things you won't understand yet, and that's completely normal. In the future, you'll understand this function much better after one of my lessons. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next practical lesson. Bye everyone.